Hi, this is Azim and you are watching New Vision Media Sell. In today's lecture, I am going to teach you about making data entry software. So let's start. First of all, we need to enter some data, like roll number, student name, class, and fee. Then enter your records. After that, select whole table and enter any table array in name box, as I'm going with data. Second step is to open new sheet, and here just copy past U main headings. Now enter V lookup formula, and just do the same steps like me. Look up value enter table array that have you saved before, and most important thing is to enter the same column number where from you want to get the value. At the end, if you are entering any value, then select false and case of test select true. Now, just put roll number and other data will update automatically. Now, just put roll number and other data will update automatically. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel.